This is a brand new 2012 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, power-adjustable driver pedals, traction control and stability control systems, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a trailer hitch receiver, a four-wheel independent suspension, running boards, dusk-sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and aluminum wheels. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
All American Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 520 River Street in Hackensack.